business videos, you often see lots of mistakes, but with a few simple tips that we're going to share with you in this video, you can improve your content dramatically. So let's go through each point in detail. Firstly, what's the point? Yeah, what is the point of the video? What are you trying to say? What's your business message? If it's just corporate tosh, that's going to mean nothing to your audience. If you can't reduce it to a single phrase or a short few words, then you haven't got a point. So who is your audience? And more importantly, from whose point of view is the video delivered? And do remember that different audiences have got different needs. A young audience will be fast to click away. An older audience might stay with you. An audience that's specialist will want intricate detail. Don't starve them of information. If you're not finely focused on an audience, you're not going to have a powerful video. Video is a video medium. It's pictures. If you're just talking at a camera like I'm doing now, that's not interesting. What makes it interesting is all the other images that you capture. Try to use B-roll to tell a visual story, so that you're telling your audience something in pictures as well as the words that you speak. The quality of what you're recording is vital. People lose confidence in your video if it's all full of shaky cam and wobbly pictures. What you need to do is invest in a few simple tools. Firstly, invest in a tripod. A tripod makes the camera stable and makes the whole thing look a whole load more professional. Invest in a microphone. You can use a microphone like this one above me that's recording my voice without touching me, or you can use a clip-tie microphone like this one, which is attached a few centimeters away from my face. If you found some of the things that we're saying helpful or interesting, don't be afraid to get in touch with us through social media.